Since 2001, the SteelSeries has proven us that their products, mainly peripherals, are one of the kind. As a result, until 2018, the company's smart and hard work has led to being named as one of the greatest influencers and most recognizable brand in the gaming market that continuously reshapes the market with their products which are built upon the customer's demands. To prove my saying, we are witness to dozens of sponsorships and community support, especially for the esports competition, where the SteelSeries always plays a huge role. In this video, I'm going to make a detailed overview of one of the most demanding and at the same time sold gaming mice from SteelSeries, known as the Sensei 310. From a design perspective, the SteelSeries Sensei 310 is packaged really simply, and there is a sleeve that surrounds the inner box with an embedded SteelSeries Rise Up slogan, and when you open up the box, you will see the Sensei 310 and the 6.5-foot cable protected in their own section and ready to be used. In addition, this mouse measures 4.93 inches in length, 2.77 inches in width, and 1.53 inches in height. The Sensei features a matte black ambidextrous construction that is accompanied by pure silicone side double grips, double split trigger buttons on each side, a clickable scroll wheel, a single DPI adjuster at the center, and of course, the two main switches at the top center. When we summarize the buttons, they count 8 in total, although you'll probably only use about 6 of them. I also want to mention that the split trigger buttons are rated to up to 50 million clicks, so you already know what you can expect in terms of durability. I will deliver more information for the switches in the section where I will talk about your future gaming experience, but for now we will stick to the design. Thanks to its ergonomic design, the Sensei is suitable for both claw and fingertip styles, so regardless of which of these two groups you belong to, you won't notice any difference during your gaming sessions. Another great thing about this construction is that the top material is fingerprint resistant, while its core is composed of a fiber reinforced plastic, which makes the mouse lighter but sturdy at the same time. When you flip the mouse over, at the top, at the bottom, slightly below the SteelSeries logo, there are 3 Teflon pads that will provide you butter smooth gliding. At the center, there is the exclusive TrueMove 3 sensor that guarantees ultra low latency, mighty responsiveness, and accurate mouse movement on any surface, though I doubt that you're gonna play without a mousepad. Before we move to the next section, I would like to express my admiration for the design and admit at the same time that the design can be barely beaten by the competitors at this price range. Finally, we have moved to the section where I'm going to deliver you a brief information about the gaming experience that you would have if you ever choose this model as your primary gaming arsenal. Due to the TrueMove 3 sensor, the Sensei 310 can boast an impressive Cpi rate of up to 12,000 and an IPS rate of 350, and an acceleration of 50G, which makes it a beast for esports performance. In addition, the company claims that the sensor offers true one-to-one tracking that effectively eliminates the input lag and reduces the jitter to the very minimum. All of the 8 clickable buttons are soft on the touch and easy to differentiate, while the scroll wheel is contoured, which I find very handy because it won't slip off from your thumb when you're scrolling, as it happens with thumb gaming mice. The scroll wheel and the thumb button sound is very silent, but of course, if you put in a harder effort, they may get a bit louder, but not that much to distract you from your gameplay. You can remap the mouse buttons as well, and in order to do that, all you have to do is just take an advantage of the SteelSeries software known as the Engine 3. All of your adjustments will be directly saved to the 32-bit ARM processor, so next time when you are invited to a LAN gaming meeting or tournament, you won't have to do the same modifications again. This software will let you set and adjust the Cpi rate, configure the lightning effects, create individual game profiles, adjust the acceleration, and much more. For example, you can choose up to 16.8 million colors and set your preferred reactive illumination modes that can enhance your gaming ambient and experience. There are 2 RGB zones. The first is the SteelSeries logo that is positioned at the front bottom, while the second is a scroll wheel, so the light will glow seamlessly with your kills, low ammo, and health, which is great. When you're done with your adjustments, then your gaming session can begin immediately, and that's the right time when you get familiar with the mouse potential. Those who were playing FPS games such as CSGO, PUBG, Overwatch, Battlefield 1 or Call of Duty were greatly satisfied by the button's quality and the sensor's performance. Or, even better said, the glide motions on their mousepad were instantly registered, which by default leads to a faster physical movement and an effective response when shooting. In my opinion, I think that the result that causes these kinds of applications can be highly connected with a polling rate of 1 millisecond, which means that every 1 millisecond the mouse will report its position. To conclude, the SteelSeries Sensei 310 would be a top option for you if you want to have an esports gaming mouse that comes at an affordable price and guarantees long years of usage. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you wanna find out the price and more information about the SteelSeries Sensei 310, you can check out the links down in the description and the comment section below. And if you have any questions related to it, you can leave a comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.